When it comes to gaming and entertainment, nothing beats investing in a solid mechanical keyboard. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget mechanical keyboards, or just want to have the best mechanical keyboard that money can buy, we have an option for you. In this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 3 best mechanical keyboards in the market today. You can find links to the products in the description. If there's any other product you'd like us to review, please comment down below. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum features Cherry MX speed key switches, backed by a lightweight aluminum frame. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback enable profile access independent of external software. It is basically the Lamborghini of gaming keyboards, coming loaded with everything a hardcore gamer needs. Highlights include super responsive Cherry MX speed mechanical key switches, a full array of customizable RGB lights, macro keys, and onboard memory that lets you save your profiles directly to the keyboard. The build quality on this keyboard is fantastic. The metal casing on the keyboard looks and feels incredibly durable. The buttons, volume roller, and other non-key hardware all feel very solid. The wrist rest is very solid with a reversible magnetic pad. It doesn't do much in the way of comfort, but it keeps your hands in place. One side is easier to slide across, the other side gives you lots of traction if you need it. The only complaint about the build quality is the plastic pieces that attach the wrist rest to the rest of the keyboard seem a little flimsy, but they snap into place, don't move, and have no exposure, so I don't see any issues happening with them. The lighting effects is definitely the most intimidating part of using Corsair Utility Engine, but also one of the most rewarding. The software includes a series of pre-made effects, such as rainbow transitions, keypress ripples, etc. There is an option to use as many of these as you want at the same time, and they can be used on individual LEDs. The fun begins once you click the Advanced switch. Advanced mode lets you set custom lighting effects with their own timing, size, activation conditions, color transition gradients, brightness, activation on certain keys pressed, etc. The advanced mode takes a while to learn, but it is incredibly customizable. Overall, we would recommend this keyboard to anyone with the cash to spend on this wonderfully built and designed piece of hardware. It will truly be a treat to own and operate this keyboard. Logitech's G513 is a stylish, full-size keyboard with fully customizable RGB lighting, a comfy wrist rest, and other features we've come to expect on higher-end gaming keyboards. It's available in both carbon and silver, and includes all new proprietary switches made by Logitech. Take your game to a new level with Logitech G513, a high-performance RGB mechanical gaming keyboard that features advanced technologies in a modern, and sleek design. Romer G linear mechanical key switches deliver super-fast, 1 millisecond responsiveness from keypress to screen, 25% faster than competitors' traditional mechanical switches. Tactile mechanical keyboard switches are engineered to give you direct feedback, so you feel the actuation point in each keypress. Customize full-spectrum RGB lighting for any, or every key from 16.8 million brilliant colors. LIGHTSYNC technology takes the lighting experience to a whole new level with game-driven lighting colors, and effects. A USB pass-through port makes it easy to plug in your mouse, flash drive, or phone for direct data transmission or charging. The aluminum alloy top case enables a blade-like chassis with a beautiful brushed metal finish, while the durable memory foam palmrest keeps your hands and wrists comfortable, and in the perfect position to tap keys with lightning-fast accuracy. Use Logitech gaming software to easily program a full row of function keys to put lighting, volume, media control, and more at your fingertips. When you get right down to it, the G513 is a relatively simple keyboard. True, it introduces a new type of key switch, and it has RGB lighting, which jacks up the price a bit. Other than that, it's just well built, and responsive, without any big surprises. That's okay, since that means there's also nothing to get in the way of its excellent performance. While the G513 lacks a few handy features found in other Logitech peripherals, it's ultimately not missing anything that detracts from its overall utility. For my money, the Logitech G810 is a better deal.